Okay, in this video, I'm going to go over the menus tab. Um, Most likely I've already set up your menus for you, but you may actually want to change some. So I'm going to go to the main menu. On the front of the website is, if you look, here's your main menu. And if you notice, I'm going to use this as an example. I have ministries, prayer team, worship team. Under here, I have sub menus, right? The fellowship team, same thing, sub menus and so on. And I'm going to show you how I actually organize that. So I'm going to select our main menu. And then let me select here for main menu. Could have did that in the first place. If you notice, I have ministries, then I have a sub menu of prayer team, and then I have, okay, ministries is right here. So then I have the sub menus prayer team, worship team, fellowship team, and so on. And as you can see, here's prayer team. I didn't have any sub menus under that. Here's worship team. Then I got a sub menu under the worship team, sacrament, ushers, media, and so on. So if I wanted to create a new menu, and say for instance I wanted to put it under worship team, all I would need to do is go to new, select new, and then it comes up. Now in this case, I'm actually going to create a menu item. And I can't, okay. So what I actually did, like say for instance, if I wanted to make it a menu item to the home page, I could sit here and select that, select the URL and copy, because this is actually the location of that word page. Here I select external link. I could give it a title, home 2. I don't have to do anything. Now here I'll copy the link into there. And then here under the parent item I was selected. So I'm gonna put it under worship team. And then I just hit save. I just hit save. Go back to the front page, let me refresh. And then I can select ministries, worship team, and there it is, home 2. I can select it and it's going to bring us right back to the home page since that we linked it. But that's how you actually can create a link like that. And then you can reorder it. Right, okay, let me go through here. This is the default, so the home page will always be default. Whether if it's published or not, you can reorder the menus right here. You can make it public, you can make it public, private, or just where administrators can see it. So public is anybody can see it, right? Or you go up to, and all you have to do is click on it. I don't think it's private. Let me look at it. It's registered. That means only people who registers and actually logs on and be able to see the site. And then, like, if you notice here, I got URLs. That's because I linked it to a URL. On the next video, I'll show you. Well, if I got enough time, I'll show you how I did this one. And then this is the item ID. Um, but that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and delete this one. And all I do is go up here and go to trash. But as you can see, you have the full menu up here, everything that you can do to menus. Now, for instance, say if I wanted to select one and make it to a page in Joom Social, which is your social networking site, you can select on Joom Social, and it's one of the components that's over here. Okay, hopefully I don't run out of time. Okay, and say if I wanted to create the link to the photos on in your community site, I would just select photos and give it a name, da da da, whatever I want. Hit save, and you'll have the menu link. And same thing, you can put it under one of the parent items if you want. And that's really about it. Okay.